Welcome back to my newest tutorial, and in this one we will have a look deeper inside coding, and we start with placing elements. You may ask why placing elements? Placing elements is easy because a technique plays them for me, but well, there are two ways of placing the elements. And if you want to code more complicated models like AA guns or tanks, you have to understand how these both ways are working. So, for this I have created this model. As you can see, basically we have 4 plates, all of equal size, and the positions are also in relative to each other. 2 of these plates are placed the way a technique outputs the model, and the other boxes are placed in a little bit other way. So let's have a look at this. Here we have the source code of our 4 plates. As you can see, these 2 plates here are located and positioned like they come from a technique. If technique creates a box, the box will have a position of 0, 0, 0 and at a rotation point. The second box also has the same position, 0, 0, but a different rotation point. This is the first way you can place a model. You place them basically at 0, 0, 0 and move them with the rotation point setting to another position. The second way is you replace these 3 numbers here with the position you wish to have the box. So you delete 0, 0, 0 and place the coordinates here. So why is this important? If you look, it looks equal. No difference between these 2 ways to placing the plates, the boxes. So the difference will show up when we now create an rotation point and give both boxes a rotation angle. So if we add a rotation angle to all of these boxes, you will see the difference between the 2 ways. I'll save it, and if we now recompile it, you will see the difference. But why will the difference show up? Really simple, because of the rotation point set up. These 2 elements have no rotation point set up, so they are rotating around 0, 0, 0. So as you can see, the 2 boxes with the rotation point are now rotating at the point where the rotation point is set. The other 2 boxes rotate together around the rotation point 0, 0, 0. So why is this important? Well, really simple. It's important for us because now if we add another rotation point to these, let's say we will place them at, well, let's say 15, and also this at position of 15. and rerun it. You see, both elements have moved together in the same angle and reference to the same position. And the new position where they rotate around now is the position of the set rotation point. But why is this important for us? Well, on the one side you can now build complete wings or such stuff like that and rotate them with one command when you change the rotation point angle. The other important thing is this is the way gun barrels and tank barrels are working. They are built basically around the position 000 and are moved with the rotation point to their position. Basically, if you build a tank or a AA gun, you need two Techni-files. One for the body of the tank and one for the barrel, because the barrel is always located at 000 and moved with a set rotation point to the correct position. But they have their position inside the boxes. I hope you will understand this, because in a later tutorial you will see how it will work with an AA gun or a tank. So, I hope you had fun with this. See you later.